here at the Meet the Masters event. My name is Edwin Kelly. Jason always does a fantastic job. If you're thinking about attending this conference, I would highly recommend it for 3 reasons. The first reason is there's just tremendous networking, great people, great resources. The second reason is he's got such a great agenda. And that really goes to the third reason, which is you're going to come, you're going to learn a lot, you're going to implement a lot, you're going to make great contacts, meet great people, and walk out of this event better for having spent a couple of days with Meet the Masters.
This is Travis Houston from Superfunnel.com, and I am beyond excited to be at a Jason Hartman event. I've been coming to Jason Hartman's events since the early 2000s, back when like Kid and Play was still considered cool. The people that I've met here so far, no surprise, have been just top-notch, awesome caliber. Got to meet Tom Wright.
It's an incredible event. The networking opportunities here are amazing.
Oh, Meet the Masters, it's a great experience. It's my first time doing this, and really the level of people that you meet, the level of speakers you meet, you learn so much. Just in the first half alone, I've connected with some great people and learned so much that's really going to help my investment business moving forward.
Information was very educational. There's a lot of things happening in real estate all the time that you have to keep updated with. Fantastic event.